This video review of the Sun Joe SPX 3000 pressure washer. So I bought this open box from Amazon. Didn't really realize they were going to ship it open box. So this might be a very interesting unboxing. I hope it has everything here. So if I remember correctly in the description, it did say it comes with a 35-foot cord, which that looks like that might be the case. It's pretty good. Doggy says hey. So that seems pretty solid. Various tips and things. And I actually did get the paperwork with it. There we go. Not sure what was keeping it out of the way there, but something wasn't working right. Plug that in. Guess that's where you put the little tips at. Oh, good. Got the screws too. Those should go in here. Okay, now screw in 4 screws. There's one kind of hanging out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Slides on with no screw. And screw right here. Okay. Where does that go? Goes right down here. Okay. Ah, there we go. There's where the water goes. By the way, I bought one of these hoses, gosh, 3 or 4 years ago. I love this thing. It's one of those that just pulls itself back together, so to speak, when you're done with it. I love that thing. So, can't see. Okay, we're good. Touch this. And don't put your cord where it'll get leaked water onto. That's never good. I will draw that off, of course, before plugging it in. Okay. Let's first I'll test for water leaks. That looks good. Now I'll plug this in. So I'm going to start off with the green tip here. Kind of goes on like an air hose coupling, actually. I guess. There we go. Okay, so it's got the little arrow right here. That should go up. Let's go give it a test for just water. Okay, I'm trying a different tip now. So that one's 15 degrees. Oh yeah, much tighter. So all I'll have is just regular car wash soap. Definitely nothing, no muriatic acid or anything for the concrete, but we'll give it a little bit of a shot. Literally just a little bit. Again. There we go. I guess that's the amount of soap. That would get some good bubbles. So apparently there's a tip for soap, so let's put that on and give it a try. There we go. Ah. There it goes. I'll try the red one. And last will be the gray one. Alright, well, I got some weather coming in. Look at the little bit of thunder and lightning starting to happen out in the background. So I think it's time to call it quits on that. But anyway, there we go with the Sun Joe XJ3000 or whatever the heck it is. I like this. It's got the two canisters for soap. Got an adjuster here for the amount of soap, I assume. It seems to be sealed it pretty good. I'm gonna go back with some Teflon tape probably for that connection to make sure it's good and tight. I also own a Sun Joe chipper, and I really like that thing, so I thought I'd give this a shot. And it works fine. I had a Darcher, a really cheap one that I bought several years ago, and it did a pretty good job. And it was, but it was not anywhere near the quality of this one, the wand and everything. On that one, it was the low end, like low end. So anyway, there you go. I like it, and if it's anything like the chipper, it'll be just fine.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.